yeah, YaadBwoys there with our guest today, Miss Shakira Martin, right?
Yes.
Shakira Martin, boom bang, don't know.
Miss Jamaica Universe 2011.
11. Right now we're gonna do the makeup tag.
None of them are my boyfriend, by the way. None of them. They're two boys who just so happen to be my friends. So before you go on Facebook and those things and write me some hate mail, just know.
And we are gonna make her look. When we gonna start out, what's a Mac? This is called a high definition. You know what I like about a woman? Lips. So I'm gonna start out with a lipstick. Wait, I'm gonna lip my own. I'm gonna lip my own lipstick this person.
Read, just read, that's all I can say.
Chad, you start. Turn around there, please. Turn around. You turn up. What the rubbing thing there? If the rubbing thing there, Chad, come.
My donut clean.
Skin smooth like sugar. Like sugar smooth.
Sugar not smooth?
Sugar smooth? What
is the butter?
My piece surface.
Probably the vice cartel right now. Exactly.
With the cake sauce. What is this for? What is it? Let me read it first.
The bottom.
The bottom. What is it?
It's a gibberish.
Definition primer. Right. Boy, I know what am I doing now? First of all, I don't even think this is supposed to go right here.
Where does that look like it's supposed to go?
Look, lock your eye. Just lock your eye. That's how I got to lock your eye. Doesn't go there? Come on, bro. You know I do that, bro. Come on. Then where you go? Where you go? What
Man, I really carry item.
What else is this for? What else can it be for? Seriously?
People, man, I really
Yes, thank you, Jesus.
But you start talking gibberish and I bottom, we can't do that, you know.
What is that word?
Shake foundation!
You're in.
That's a foundation. I think we never know if shake down.
You'd be familiar with that movement.
Yeah! Oh. Yeah!
For national TV!
Oi!
Oh, you gotta tweet that one day.
We're not shake things over here. Alright.
Yeah, man, she's familiar with that one day, so that.
Slap me right back at you. You want it and you start.
Watch it!
Gorgeous. Get the bottom of it now. We never do that. Yeah, we never do nothing to the bottom. We never do nothing to bottom. We don't 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 do anything to bottom.
It's a funnel in my eyes and I have to wear this after this show.
Wear yourself. It's easy, isn't it? I think I'm supposed to do it under the eyebrow. I really think it's supposed to do it under the I can't tell you nothing now. We run this. I want to use the naked something, you know. It's a naked, I want it. Naked like that. Naked few coming a car too. No. Alright now. So them say Foxy half baked booty call. That them I like. No. Something named booty call for real? Yeah, look. Look on the name.
Yeah, it's real.
Holy shit. Busted. I like the busted.
Really
follow when she get bone. Really follow
We don't follow what we're going to wear by the name of the eyeshadow.
Oh, you don't do that?
We follow by the color.
What the hell is
Yo, that looks sick, you know?
This is the technical touch. Only YaadBwoys can do that touch. Watch out. I don't even have to look. I just swipe. Alright, you get it underneath here. Whoa, you see that dog?
Might make sure you get the neck to dog.
Child, look here. Whoa! Whoa!
You don't feel like it's on one
Yo, she ready for a photo shoot now, dog.
See, dog. down.
Ayo.
The marker down.
Yeah.
Vince. Down it.
Easy man, Max. Yo, idiot.
Oh, there we go. It's all that Vince. We're gonna auction our off your date after this.
Okay.
Easy pin. Easy tattoo artist.
That man, you're not a pretty thing.
You're a pretty man.
This is a teardrop or something?
No, you can start as a joker. Yeah, no.
Your turn.
Oh, cute. Her.
Do something, but let me do the work. You know, I feel nothing. You've been a good girl. I got you care. No conversation.
Mike, give me a nose to dog.
Yeah, man, yeah, what?
Just make sure I sneeze.
Oh, God, if you all that you need. All that you need.
I think that this particular area of my face right here.
Yeah, I think my side shot. I think it's good.
What a drone her.
Not my ear, my face.
So I get your side home.
Where the whole thing?
You ready?
She wanna know when me I go come back.
From a distance, from a distance.
Come back, you're making me nervous.
People, that was a YaadBwoys makeup tutorial, makeup tag.
This is the finished look.
I want to thank our guest Shakira Martin all the way from
All over.
Big up YaadBwoys.
Yeah.
Wonderful makeup.
See me.
I'll be coming again.
Love it, look at that.